Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to give you a lot of details about homeschooling. I'm going to tell you what homeschooling is, what unschooling is homeschooling legal in India, and what are the things that you can try out if you're planning to properly homeschool your child in India. So keep watching. So what is homeschooling? Homeschooling is all about the decision that you take as a parent to not send your child into any of the school. Instead, keep them in your house and teach them all by yourself. Now, this teaching can happen through you, or there are even tutors who come and teach children who are homeschooled. You can even send them to different kinds of learning centers where they can learn about music, dance, foreign languages, and many other things like that. So basically, instead of sending the child into one school, you are taking care of the entire education system all by yourself. Next question that most of you people ask is homeschooling legal? So I will say that yes, in India homeschooling is legal. So even though we don't have any regulatory body which decides for homeschoolers, but in India homeschooling is pretty much legal, so you can go ahead with that. What are the advantages of homeschooling? The major advantage of homeschooling is you are the person who decides what you have to teach your child. You are the person who decides for the curriculum. You are the person who decides for the content. So you know what your child likes, what your child don't likes, what your child is ready for, and accordingly you teach your child with that particular content. So the whole content and curriculum is decided by you, and that is one major thing which is highly advantageous about these kind of homeschooling classes. Next thing is about your time. You don't have to actually send them to different kinds of schools or anything wherein majority of their time for the day is taken up. Instead, they are at your home, and in your convenience or your child's convenience, you can teach them whatever you want to teach, whenever you want to teach, and wherever you want to teach. And the last thing is kind of flexibility. So if suppose your child is not understanding something in traditional schools where the child have to go and study, the child is born to learn that because the other children are learning it. But in homeschooling, it's totally up to you. You can skip and go to some other topic and come back to this topic later on when you feel that your child is ready. If you ask me about the disadvantage of homeschooling, the major disadvantage of homeschooling is the time. You have to spend the time with your child. You have to make sure that you are teaching your child, and which requires a lot of efforts, right? You have to buy books, you have to set curriculums, you have to bring content. So it kinds of requires a lot of effort. So homeschooling comes with a lot of effort. If you are ready to do that, if you have time to do that, then definitely you can go for that. Can homeschooling children pursue any kind of higher education? So when it comes to class 10th and class 12th board examination, homeschool children can actually attend their board examination through CBSE as a private candidate. So that is definitely possible. Other than that, we also have NIOS, which is National Institute of Open Schooling, which offers open education for children up to the age of 14 years. So they have exams at 3 levels, that is level A, level B, and level C, which is equivalent to 3rd standard, 5th standard, and 7th standard, where the child can go and attend their exams. And with this, they can even opt for secondary education, which is equivalent to 10th, or senior secondary, which is equivalent to 12th standard. They can even go for IGCSE board, which is Cambridge based board education system that we are following in India. But homeschoolers for now are not allowed in ICSE or ISC. And for taking admission in the college, they have to clear the entrance examination. Another major doubt which most of the people have is that will homeschoolers be social? Will they able to interact with children of their own age? So the main question for this is, as I told in the beginning, homeschooling is also about enrolling them into different classes, like different foreign language classes or music classes, dance classes, sports classes, and all. So they do get to interact with children over there, in those classes. So this is how they kind of socially build their relation. And other than that, if you are from some certain big cities, there are also various homeschooler support groups wherein the parents and students, they meet quite often, wherein they discuss and they interact. So it's a kind of way to build their social skills as well. What if you have homeschooled your child for a particular number of years and now you want to return to the the traditional education system, or you want to go and enroll your child into a school? According to the rules, according to the Right to Education Act that is there in India, children should not be denied of admission to any of the schools. So basically, suppose your child wants to go and take admission in first standard. If the child is able to clear the test that is set by the school, the interview, the written test, or anything that is set by the school for that that particular class, if the child is able to clear that, then the child cannot be denied of admission to the school. This is according to the rules of India. That's it, guys. So this video was a very brief introduction about what homeschooling is all about, and what are the rules related to that. If you have any doubt, you can definitely drop in the comment section and I'll take it up from there. Other than that, I also have an Instagram page which goes by the name of Millennial Mommyhood, where I post a lot of early education related content for your children and a lot of developmental things for the parents as well. So if you want, you can go and follow me over there. The link is given in the description box. If you like this video, do not forget to like it. If you are not subscribed to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. Bye.